Now another important parameter, that is concrete cover. That means how much cover to the reinforcement which we are going to provide. For this you have to refer clause number 26.4 very carefully. So cover to reinforcement, first of all let us understand what is cover to reinforcement. Cover to reinforcement is the distance, or you can say thickness of the concrete layer measured from the exposed concrete surface without plaster and other finishes to the nearest surface of the reinforcing bar, and the cover is provided to protect the reinforcement bar from corrosion as well as from any other weathering actions. And we want to embed the reinforcement in sufficient concrete layer such that when there is any stress developed, no slippage can take place. So we want to avoid any type of slippage between steel bar as well as the concrete. Now from this diagram you will be very clear. Now you can see here it is a section of a rectangular beam, and here some yellow bars are shown and the blue color bars are shown, and these bars are covered by some other type of reinforcement. So later on we are going to discuss in very detail. So here you can easily understand that these yellow color shown bars are provided in the tension side. So it is called main reinforcement. That means main reinforcement which is taking care of the tensile stresses. And these two bars which we are providing, as it will act as a hanger bars. So that means when you want to hang all the bars, so you can provide two bars here. They will not be taken into consideration for taking any type of stresses. They will be acting only as a hanger to all these bars. Or you can say, yes, we can also call it as stirrups, that this will be termed as a stirrup. This color it is, and this black color arrow which is indicating. Now you can understand here. It is the distance measured from the exposed concrete surface. So this surface is exposed. That means it is exposed to weather, and the nearest surface of reinforcing bar. So here this is the link which we are. These bars are getting connected. So from this outermost uh, place of this reinforcement and to the exposed concrete surface, whatever be the distance, this distance is the clear cover. And how much should be the clear cover? For this we will be getting information from the IS code also. Then this will be the effective cover. This red color arrow indicate effective cover. Effective cover mean it is the distance from the center of the steel bar to the outermost level of the concrete which is exposed to weathering actions. Now what IS code is suggesting, as per IS code clause number 26.4.2, this clause recommend minimum value for the nominal cover to meet durability requirement for a normal weight aggregate concrete as mentioned in table number 16. So there is table number 16 in IS 456 from which recommendations are there, that means what should be the minimum cover required, which is in this we will talk it as a nominal cover. So to meet out the durability requirement, and those information which is available in table number 16, that is valid for normal weight aggregate. So here you can go through this table number 16 which gives you the information regarding nominal cover to meet durability requirement. So based on the exposure, whether it is mild exposure, moderate, severe, very severe or extreme, minimum cover which is required. So code is suggesting that nominal cover of concrete should not be less than 20 mm for mild type of exposure condition. And you can see as we move from mild to severe type of weather conditions, then cover of the reinforcement, that concrete cover is getting increased, because in suppose in severe type of environment your concrete is more prone to weathering effects. So we have to take care, or we have to safeguard the steel, because it is the main component of the RCC beam which will be taking care of the side stresses. So in that sphere type of, automatically minimum cover, concrete cover required is 45 mm, and some notes are given which you can refer later on.